पॉलिसी बाजार पर 1 करोड़ रुपए का टर्म लाइफ इंश्योरेंस केवल 450 रुपए महीने से शुरू। Wow.
The government has approved a nasal vaccine. It's a 2-drop nasal vaccine. People who have taken Covishield and Covaxin, both of those people can take this new nasal vaccine that has been approved, and it will be available on the portal starting today, and you can get it from the hospitals around you which are providing vaccinations such as Covishield and Covaxins. Those same centers will now also be providing this nasal vaccine that has now been approved by the government, and it can be taken by people who have taken Covishield and Covaxin doses before this, and it will go a step forward in India's vaccination drive. Remember, vaccination is crucial to protect all of us from this from coronavirus, and this nasal vaccine will make it easier to administer the vaccine doses. The government has approved this nasal vaccine, and it will be available on the Covin app starting today. It is the app where you can book your vaccines, where you can check the availability of vaccines in the centers around you. So this very vaccine will now be available from on the Covin app, as the government has approved Bharat Biotech's nasal vaccine. It can be taken by everybody, regardless of whether you've taken a Covishield or a Covaxin before this. Now, there will be a health ministry briefing as well later in the day. As I said, the health minister will be conducting a meeting with the heads of various states, and the meeting will happen at around 3 p.m. and the decisions from that will come at around 3:30 p.m. There was also a briefing by the health ministry this morning, and the government cautioned vigilance amongst the citizens, stating that the pandemic is not over yet. The call for vigilance is particularly important in light of the festive season, where the government says that it is imperative to create awareness for adherence to COVID-appropriate behavior. We also know now that the health ministry is preparing guidelines for the upcoming Christmas and New Year festivals, because of course people will be traveling a lot more, going to parties a lot more. So that is why the government is going to come up with guidelines and rules for the upcoming festive season. So all of that awaited today in that meeting and in the health ministry's decision.